Hello guys, how are you doing? So this is Superalt of Croatia again with a new video, and this time I'll show you how to install the Kali Linux into your virtual machine workstation, right? So for that, first of all, you need to download the Kali Linux iOS, right? For that, you need to go to this website. This is the website. I'll paste this link in the description. So I downloaded the 64-bit. If you want 34-bit, you can go with it. So download this VMware 64-bit version, and I've already downloaded this, and it's in my folder. So here it is. Once you download this thing, it's around 2.8 gigs. You need to extract this. Okay, WinZip extract to this folder, extract somewhere, and then this would be the outcome. You will get so many files in here. Don't be afraid. Next, what you need to do is go to a workstation, open a virtual machine, go to that folder, right? This is the folder, OS folder, and Linux, and inside you need to select this VMX file. Once you select this VMX file, you'll get this screen. Here you need to change if you want your virtual machine to be connected to the internet, you need to keep this adapter as bridge mode, and it will work. It will connect to the internet using your LAN or WAN, wireless LAN. So if you're connected through wireless, so it will use the same network. If you're connected to your wired connection LAN, it will use the same network. And after this, you need to power on the virtual machine and wait for the virtual machine to boot up. Here you need to just enter on the first option, Kali Linux, and then wait for the credentials to be popped up, and the credentials would be username would be root RWT, and the password would be the reverse TOOR. I'll keep this in my description as well. So here you need to put the username as root, and the password would be TOOR, right? Enter, and let the Kali Linux boot up, right? So here you can see the Kali Linux is up and running in your workstation, right? I'll just maximize the screen, and I'll just use the which one? I'll just try to access some website, right? I'll go to the web browser just to check the connectivity to the internet, right? And let's see. Okay, this is not coming up. It should come up, but yeah, give it some time, it will come up. So guys, this is how you install the Kali Linux box into your VMware Workstation. Simple and easy method, right? And this is it. I'll wait for the what do you say, terminal to come up, or the browser, right? Browser is not coming up. Just to check, what I'll do is I'll ping internet. So this is working, right? Once the browser comes up, you should be able to go to the internet, right? Oh, okay, it's up. So I'll go to Google, right? It's a www, right? Okay, done. See, tada, it's up. So this is how you install, right? Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Thanks, bye.